What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add border in CapCut PC. So here you can see I have a video in my timeline and now I want to add a border in this video. So that first of all, drag and drop a white background image in your CapCut, like I have just added this one, and then resize this and also resize this in your timeline. Now keep this layer in top, and by select this one, go to video to basic and then scale down. Now it's time to compound the clip. Select both layer and then create compound clip. Now you can see here is a border in my video. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.